Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone not downloading apps after update iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Switch network and allow App Store access. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. Toggle off Wi-Fi if connected. Ensure cellular data is toggle on. Go back setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, tap on content and privacy restriction. On the restriction page, tap on allow apps. Ensure App Store is toggle on. Solution number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Change language setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap language and region. Select your preferred language from the list. Tap done to save changes. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.